Hello YouTube, and I'm back with another video just after my Capcom video. Well, I've got this, which is a pistachio bomb, and so I'm gonna show you how to make it. Okay, so what you're gonna do, party poppers, those little things that when you pull the string and the confetti comes out. Well, what you're going to do is get a knife. This is just a kid's kitchen knife and doesn't cut your hand. See? But that's not the knife I used. I used an X-Acto knife. So you're going to cut open the party popper, and you're going to get out this little fuse, and it should look like this. So once you've done that, you're going to get a pistachio, and you'll need to be very careful not to break the shell, and you're also going to make it so it's just big enough to fit in the little cardboard fuse. Not the string, of course, though. And then you're going to carefully get out the little actual pistachio nut on the inside of the shell. And once you've done that, you just put the fuse in place. And you can hot glue it in so it will stay in so that way it won't just come out when someone pulls it. So now I'm just going to show you a little test fire of it. So I'll just set it down there. And I'll get some tongs, just so I don't explode my fingers. And then you're going to get the tongs. Well, this is not what you're going to do. This is just what I'm doing. Sorry, it's easier if you hot glue it. I just didn't hot glue it because I'll need to take it all apart to show you how to make it with the video. Okay, so then you're going to get it, make sure it's firmly in place, and you know what? I'm just going to see if I can withstand the blast with my fingers. Okay. There we go. That's what it will do. And I think I singed my finger. And so, yep, you can see it will explode. Thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe, and always hate One Direction.